In Ramadan 2025, through the mercy of Allah and heartfelt generosity, Bloom Academy UK helped restore the sight of 400 brothers and sisters who were suffering from cataracts. Many of them lived in remote, underserved communities with no access to specialized eye care, where a common yet treatable condition stole their ability to see and participate fully in life. Cataracts can be easily treated with surgery. Yet for the poor it remains unreachable, until now. With your support, Bloom Academy UK provided free screenings, surgical care, accommodation, and post-operative support through eye camps and specialist clinics, bringing clarity, independence, and dignity back into their lives. Imagine the joy of a father recognizing his child's face again, or an elderly woman seeing the Quran with clear eyes again. These are the moments your generosity made possible. We make sincere du'as for our donors, that Allah blesses your wealth, multiplies the reward of every act of kindness, and rewards you in this life and the next for every life you've helped restore. With Bloom Academy UK, your donation doesn't just change sight, it changes stories, families, and futures.